Hey there everybody, Undead Man 360 here, coming back with the complete farm. We are on day 6. Today is also a big day for random cutscene stuff, so it may be another longer video. Clint, hi there, good morning. He kind of reminds me of Patrick. Patrick Stark. I noticed that you've been breaking some rocks open and finding ore. That's good. Were you stalking me in the mine? If you want to get the most out of the ores you find, you'll need a furnace. Just so happens I have an extra set of blueprints lying around here. Here, I want you to have them. Honestly, Clint's one of the most useful people in the village. Like, he upgrades your tools and all this stuff. He's like an underrated character. Thank you, Clint. And he gives you a free blueprint. Now to craft a furnace. The furnace allows you to smelt metal bars. The bars can be used for crafting, construction, and tool upgrades. Thank you, Clint. When you've smelted a few copper bars, consider having me upgrade one of your tools. Ah, that's why he gave me the blueprint. Because he wants me to spend all my money at his shop. I see how it is. It can make your work a lot easier. Or you could just sell me, like, better tools. Well, okay, I'm heading home. Take it easy. No, Clint. I have a lot to do. I will not take it easy. My sources tell me you've been poking around inside the old community center. Why don't you pay me a visit? My chambers are west of the Forest Lake, in the Stone Tower. I may have information concerning your rat problem. M. Rasmodius, Wizard. Yes, there's a wizard in this game. Advertisement. I keep finding cool stuff, but my backpack is full. Does that sound like you? Does it ever? Well, Pierre's got you covered. Does he? Stop by Pierre's General Store today and check out our affordable size 24 backpack. See you soon. It's 2,000 gold for that backpack. Just saying. I see you've been exploring the old mine. You've got the adventurer's spirit, that much I can tell. If you can slay 10 slimes, you've earned your place in my adventurer's guild. Be careful, Marlin. Is that how you lost an eye, fighting a slime? Water my crops. And then... see, that's gonna annoy the crap out of me. Because then tomorrow I'm gonna have to fill up the watering can and so... Oh, wait! The chickens! Okay, I figured it out. Go pet the chickens first in the morning, fill up the watering can, and then... So yeah, I'm that kind of guy. I'm that guy that's like, what's the most efficient and least annoying way to play this game? Oh, and I got farming level 2? Farming level 1. Well, I'll take that. Eggs in... No! One. And you. 1. Nope, not you. That did not just happen. How did that... Y'all saw that, right? Y'all saw that, right? My clam just turned into a dandelion. That literally just happened. Concerned ape, I think we might have a glitch here, sir. Ma'am. Sir or ma'am. Slightly disheartening, not really, because, I mean, clams show up pretty regularly on the beach, so I'm not going to be too upset by that. We're off to see the wizard. That beat up old tower right there, that is the wizard's house. Ah, come in. I'm already in. Like, I am Rasmodius, seeker of the arcane truths. Mediary between physical and ethereal. Master of the seven elements. Keeper of the sacred You get the point. And you, Undead Man 360, the one whose arrival I have long foreseen. Here, I'd like to show you something. Your steaming pot of weird stew. Behold! Yep. Oh. Little green men. Okay. You've seen one before, haven't you? Yes. They call themselves the Junimos. Okay. Mysterious spirits. These ones, for some reason, they refuse to speak with me. Because maybe you're holding it captive in a little thingy there. I'm not sure they've moved into... I'm not sure why they've moved into the community center, but you have no reason to fear them. I don't fear Junimos. They're little, small, squishy, and adorable. You found a golden scroll written in an unknown language. Yes, or it could have been gibberish. Most interesting. Stay here. I'm going to see for myself. I'll return shortly. Don't mind me. Just gonna sit here and wait for you. So he teleports out and then comes back through the door. I found the note. Good for you. The language is obscure. I was able to decipher it. We, the Junimo, are happy to aid you. In return, we ask for gifts of the valley. If you are one with the forest, then you will see the true nature of this scroll. One with the forest. What do they mean? Sniff, sniff. Aha! Come here. My cauldron is bubbling with ingredients from the forest. Okay. Baby fern, moss scrub, caramel top toadstool. Can you smell it? Baby fern makes sense. Moss grub. Okay. Caramel top toadstool. Pretty sure that's not a thing. It sounds like you're just doing some drugs. Here, drink up. Let the essence of the forest permeate your body. What? You sounds like you're going to poison me. Yeah, see? Even he's a little bit nervous about it. Gulp, gulp, gulp. 38 energy. Glad I wasted that. Oh, and now I'm about to puke. See? Told you were poisoning me. And the screen turns green. Oh. See, I'm stoned. That's what it is. And I'm seeing floating trees. So, yeah. Yeah, basically, he's made like an edible broth or something. You know? Like, puff, puff, pass, pass kind of thing. You've gained the power of forest magic. Now you can decipher the true meaning of the Junimo scrolls. Excellent. Only took a few years off of my life drinking that terrible potion. Now see, now that I have that, I can hit this here. And it will show me what I need for various parts of the foraging bundles. So right now all I have is the crafts room, and I do have those items with me, so I will be going to go do that. And I have a couple of the fish with me, so I'll be dropping those off as well. I've had it happen to me once before where an item is turned into another item. I'm kind of glad it was just like not one that I needed immediately. Okay, I need to do this here. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to make my forge. Boom. Furnace. Sorry. Forge. Furnace. I played so many games where you got to smelt ore and stuff, they just call it a forge. Alright, and that. I will just come back by the farm on my way back out. Yes. Okay. Run. Anything? Nope. So the funny thing is normally by this time, because I'm trying to min-max, I've already gotten, like, a whole bunch of stuff for the museum, because fishing is one of the ways that you get a lot of the stuff for the museum. So this run, the fact that I don't have anything for the museum on day 6 is actually probably one of the most, bizarre things. Alright. Boop, boop. What just happened? Concerned ape? Concerned ape. What the hell? Okay. You know what? Now I gotta go get my dandelion again. That did not just happen. I'm very confused by this. And slightly annoyed. I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm slightly annoyed. Let me check the board. Sure, why not, Abby? If I can find you a topaz, I'll bring you a topaz, Abby. Abigail. Are you a real dandelion? Because the other one seemed to be fake. I'm still very confused. I'll take you. Put you back. Down. No. And okay. Back to the community center. The community center, and then I'm going to go to the mines and try to get a few more levels down, because I do want to try to get the iron as soon as possible so I can make a crab pot. Alright, once you complete a bundle, there'll be a little present thing that pops up in the bottom. And I got 30 of those spring seeds that I've been planting for turning in 4 of those. So And then there's a little cutscene as it opens up other little areas. So now I have the pantry area. And the aquarium. The aquarium is going to be the next one that I want to try. Like, a bundle in the aquarium is going to be what I want to try to get done first. Let me see. So, catfish. No. Let me see. Nightfish bundle. So I need to get the walleye. The walleye, I think, is winter fishing, if I remember right. And then the crab pot bundle is the easiest one to complete because I already had a clam. I don't remember. I don't think I had either one of those. I'll have to check the chest by the lake, and that reminds me that I need to go grab some more wood to go make a chest to go in the mines. So, totally. So it's going to be a little bit. Did I mention it's going to be a little bit of a longer video? Did I mention I'm going to go around in circles in this video? It's only 12:30. Well, hey guys. Hi. This is such a small town. You can't avoid meeting everyone. Well, I can try. You smell like grass. I was just at the Wizards. I wonder what it's like to live in the city. Terrible. Oh, a stranger. My name's Vincent. Hello, Vincent. Mama says not to talk to strangers, but you seem okay. I'm wearing boxers, bruh. Boxers and a hoodie. Okay. Put you back. Yep. Okay. Wait. Going this way. Pet the cat. I gotta pet the cat. So for the statue from your grandfather, you have to be. The cat has to love you, which I think is actually in the thing now. There used to not be a tracker for it. Yes, Miss Kitty. Okay, so my chickens are starting to like me. Miss Kitty, I just got her yesterday, so she's still getting used to me. I'm happy by myself, you know. No. I don't need new friends. You and me both, Linus. You and me both. Oh, horrible spot. Giggity. Ooh, rusty cog. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. That I'm going to take down to the museum when I have an opportunity. I'm going to take that with me, that. I'll take the other fish and stuff when I have an opportunity. Today I want to just spend a little bit of time in the mines while I can. Cookies for energy, and then random assortment of stuff. Okay. Fishing spot. I still want to hit that fishing spot, but I'm just gonna go into the mines. what I do. Boop. 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 Okay. Actually, before I do that, I need to dump the stuff in the chest. Okay, so boom, 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 boom. Go in there, go in there, go in there. I don't really need the hoe with me at the moment. And I'm going to take some cookies, because I might get hungry while I'm in the mines. And by hungry, I mean I might need some more energy at some point. Alright. Well, hopefully that sounds cathartic and not annoying. Bug meat, always delicious. Actually, they added bug steaks to the game, so I mean, cool. If you need the energy, but bug meat you use as bait, so. Occasionally I will have where I'll do like levels 15 through something in the mines to get all the bugs, to get bait and such. Topaz. Glad I double checked over here. Right? Abigail, bring Abigail a topaz. Abigail is the purple-haired daughter of the mayor, or of the shop owner, Pierre. 2 days, okay. Today is Saturday. I think Abigail might show up at the saloon tonight, so I'll have to remember to go to the saloon. You know what? I'm not doing the mines today. Nope, 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 nope. Whenever I see the thing pop up where it has infested areas, it's just always disheartening. So I do not like doing the mines when that happens. Alright, so take that to the museum. Taking that to Abigail. I need my hoe. Haha, giggity. Actually, well no, Clint's not going to be open anymore. Actually, the museum might not be open anymore. Alright, let's go find Abigail. Oh. Well, hello. This isn't as exciting as I thought it would be. It's a rock. But that's not your fault. Haha. Thanks for responding to my bulletin, Undead Man 360. And 240 gold. Let me check. Fish tank. I guess I could try to catch the sunfish. I don't need the walleye. So, green moon. And then sturgeon is winter or the traveling merchant. Sardine, tuna is summer. Summer. I think all those are summer. Pufferfish. I usually just get the pufferfish from the traveling merchant. Ghost fish is in the mines. Sandfish is in the desert. Wood skip is in the forest. Okay. Alright. Oh, crap. I literally checked all that and then just walked off without the fish. Okay. One. Take a fishing rod. You. And you. Okay. And there we go. Robin! Hey, I've heard that Lewis showed you around the community center. It'd be great if you could fix that place up. It used to be a real nice building. Robin, you're the carpenter. Why am I fixing the building? Why is Mayor Lewis not paying you to fix the building? It's called local commerce. Support your local stuff, you know? Local businesses. That's what I meant to say. Oops. I'm just going to point out, like, I'm just, like, leaving fish here. Not putting them in water. I'm just dropping some fish off here in the community center. Right. Now I do want to go to the saloon tonight. Hey, Sebastian. What? I didn't hear you. I'm busy thinking about something. Okay, good for you, Sebastian. What do you want? Oh, you gotta be so angsty. You weren't even close enough to watch me. You were don't judge me. Pine cone. Yeah, so the saloon's usually busy on Saturday nights. I need to get off of that. So you get to talk to everybody. If the local fishing scene were a bit more lively, I might expand the shop's stock. What do you mean lively? Like, you're the fisherman. Do you really want competition? Sometimes I wonder how I ended up in this town. You probably died and this is the afterlife. Why are you bothering me? I want to be alone. Always a pleasure, Shane. Marriage candidate, by the way. Shane is a marriage candidate. Not doing that, but okay. I'm sure Miss Kitty will be a little shy at first. It takes a while for an animal to get comfortable in a new setting. Well, I think you'll love having a little friend on the farm with you. Yes, I will. I love to decorate for the different seasons. You know, Leia's so wholesome. Like, I just, like, Leia's so awesome. Pam isn't responding, because Pam's probably 3 sheets to the wind. It's 9:20. She's done had, like, 70 beers. I like making my own clothes, but it's not easy to get cloth. And it's such a long trip to the city. I mean, support your local farmer. Welcome to the Standards, the Star Drop Saloon. Can I get you anything? No, Gus, I don't need anything. Welcome to... Yes, Gus. Can I just have a regular conversation with you, Gus? Sometimes there is... Nope. Sometimes there'll be people in there playing the video games. Which, that will be fun. Because there's like 2 video games in there. And both of them are a pain in the butt. But you have to get both of them for the... completion. I have a feeling that at the end of all of this, that's what I'm going to be spending most of my time on. But most of my videos will be that. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna make myself do the 2 video games, because like I want to play this game and have fun with it. I don't want it to become like a chore. So I think if I force myself to win at Junimo Kart and I forget what the Wild West game is called, but if I force myself to play those games, I think I'm just gonna like not enjoy playing the game anymore. So I may just go for I may do that off screen. I forgot I gotta ship all these items too. Fantastic artifacts. Gems, cooking. Tomorrow when I wake up, I have to get the... Ooh, I got one achievement already. 10 different fish. The easiest one in the game, probably. Alright. Bedtime. Wait. Do I have anything I want to just go ahead and sell? I don't really need those 30 seeds. And I could use the money, because tomorrow, or the next video, I'm going to be going to the traveling merchant again to see if they have anything. So I'm going to go ahead and sell the spring seeds there. I already have a bunch of the spring seeds growing, so I'll be able to replace that. So boom. And to bed. Cat's in my bed. Let's see the totals for the day. Watering can. I can now make a scarecrow. Kind of why I've been holding off on doing a whole bunch of crops, because the scarecrow, without the scarecrow, you can only plant 13 crops before crows start to come eat them. Also got basic fertilizer, so I will be making a bunch of fertilizer and getting parsnips tomorrow also, depending on whether or not I gotta go to the traveling merchant. Mining, pickaxe proficiency, and cherry bomb. Let's see what we got for those mixed seeds. See, told you, like 1,000 gold for 30 of those seeds. So good money in the beginning. But that has been Undead Man 360. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.